What's going on, guys? This is iUpdateOS, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a brief overview of all of the new wallpapers and sounds found in the iOS 7 Golden Master release. And for those of you who may not be aware of what the Golden Master is, it's basically just the release before iOS 7 is released to the public on September 18th. And yes, that's right, iOS 7 will be available to the majority of you guys on September 18th. But anyway, let's get started. So like I did make mention of before, there are a lot of new wallpapers. There's 4 new dynamic ones, 27 new still images, and that comes up to a grand total of 31, which is a ton of wallpapers. I cannot believe that they added that many in one release. And along with all the new wallpapers, they also added a ton of new sounds to that. So guys, instead of me describing each wallpaper individually, I'm going to play some of my favorite new sounds, new ringtones, and new alerts that Apple did add in this release while you guys are looking at all the new wallpapers. So guys, I hope you enjoy this, and I'll see you at the end of the video. So guys, thanks a ton for watching the video. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch some of my content. I hope you guys did enjoy it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.